Welcome to Premier Stamps only for May of 2018. You is what this is all about. This is our you greetings, and you can see there's a giant cursive U as well as an all capitals U. But the magic is all of the stamps that go around this. Thinking of you, I love you, you are my favorite, you make me smile, sending hugs to you, thank you, all of me loves all of you. All of this, I know that the recipients are going to absolutely love what you make with this. And of course, on the back of the package, there are a couple of ideas. But what's wonderful is that the newsletter is going to give you more. The design team puts their heads together and creates many projects using this to give you a lot of different ideas. And that's what's really nice. Also, you're paying for the stamp only. Postage is free. How much better can it get? Let me show you the projects the design team did this month. So we've got a 3D frame die-cut card. Now that card base is available in packages of either 4 or 5 with matching envelopes. Very fun to make this, and all of me, absolutely all of me loves all of you. And you can see that it was stamped with the glitter embossing powder, and a white shadow was made. And on the inside, you are loved. Very, very fun card. Fun to receive, fun to make. Now here we have it with regular embossing powder. Isn't that pretty? And you made my day. Isn't that nice? What a beautiful card to receive. And on the inside, we've just completed it with some dazzles and some die cuts. Very fun. Sending hugs to you is what this card is proclaiming. Again, this has been stamped and been cut with a cut just outside the white, so stamped in black and just cut outside the white. So sending hugs to you, thinking of you. That's a fun way to use both of them. I was on an airplane, and when I do some of my best thinking, and I knew that words and matching stamps were really going to be popular. This was about 6-8 months ago, and came up with a whole list of what you could be about. And it's really fun to see this all come together. Here we've got you are the light of my life. You can really play with these with any embellishments that you might have. Thanks for being you. Just very, very fun. And if you have some monograms, because the stamps have happy birthday and some other things that could work really well, Lene decided to use the happy birthday and use some monograms to go in here, and then she pulled a monogram of you, but you could certainly take one of the U's from the stamp. So just lots of ways to use the you greetings. And yes, I know you're asking a question, will there be a matching cutting die? There certainly will be. The great big U's will be in a cutting die in June also, but members receive this first in May, and we hope you'll join us. Go to paperwishes.com. Over on the right-hand side, you'll see a box that says Premier Monthly Clubs. Click on that, you're going to see all of them. We've got stamps, we've got templates, we've got cutting dies, we have dazzles, stamps, excuse me, I said stamps, didn't I? Scrapbooking, card making. There are 7 kits. Members receive the contents first before anyone else on the planet, and they all come with ideas. And we hope you'll join us in the Premier family.